A Course in Miracles Workbook, Lesson 31. I am not the victim of the world I see. Today's idea is the introduction to your declaration of release. Again, the idea should be applied to both the world you see without and the world you see within. In applying the idea, we will use a form of practice which will be used more and more, with changes as indicated. Generally speaking, the form includes two aspects. One in which you apply the idea on a more sustained basis, and the other consisting of frequent applications of the idea throughout the day. 2 longer periods of practice with the idea for today are needed, one in the morning and one at night. 3 to 5 minutes for each of these are recommended. During that time, look about you slowly while repeating the idea 2 or 3 times. Then close your eyes and apply the same idea to your inner world. You will escape from both together, for the inner is the cause of the outer. As you survey your inner world, merely let whatever thoughts cross your mind come into your awareness, each to be considered for a moment, and then replaced by the next. Try not to establish any kind of hierarchy among them. Watch them come and go as dispassionately as possible. Do not dwell on any one in particular, but try to let the stream move on evenly and calmly, without any special investment on your part. As you sit and quietly watch your thoughts, repeat today's idea to yourself as often as you care to, but with no sense of hurry. In addition, repeat the idea for today as often as possible during the day. Remind yourself that you are making a declaration of independence in the name of your own freedom. And in your freedom lies the freedom of the world. Now, look about you slowly and repeat to yourself, I am not the victim of the world I see. And repeat it to yourself again as you look about slowly. And repeat it to yourself one more time. Now close your eyes and let thoughts come and go into and out of your awareness as you repeat the idea as you please. Take the next few minutes. I am not the victim of the world I see. I am not the victim of the world I see. I am not the victim of the world I see. I am not the victim of the world I see. I am not the victim of the world I see. Continue on for another 60 seconds or so. I am not the victim of the world I see. I am not the victim of the world I see. I am not the victim of the world I see. Okay. This concludes Lesson 31. Remember to revisit this exercise one more time this evening before the end of the day. The idea for today is also particularly useful to use as a response to any form of temptation that may arise during the day. It is a declaration that you will not yield to it and put yourself in bondage.